What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. As you can see by the title, I am making this refreshing LT juice, cucumber juice. Stick around with me. Let me show you how I do this juice.
You know, cinnamon, for your device, you know, say a chat boss. I'm here represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sista J, I hear a word. Sista J word, I hear a word. Chat boss, Chop City, hear me say, welcome to Sista J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sista J world. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Welcome to Sista J world. Big man, big woman, boys and
Here I have two large cucumbers, two oversized cucumbers. Yes, guys, so we're gonna get a lot of juice from these cucumbers. Some of the skin off, for my cucumber juice. Here I have a lemon that I'll be using also. And I'll be using some ginger too. So here I peel some of the skin of the cucumber off, and I cut them up in chunks. I peel the lemon, I cut it in two, and I peel the ginger. So we're gonna start juicing our cucumber. Yes, guys. Green garden vegetable. Technically, they are fruits from the same family as watermelon and pumpkin, but most people consider them veggie. Yes, guys, so cucumber is actually a fruit, but we always consider it as veggie. But either way, cucumber is good for us. All that water in cucumber can help keep you hydrated. Plus the fiber boost they give you can help you stay regular and avoid constipation. The vitamin K helps blood clot and keep your bones healthy. Vitamin A has many jobs like helping with vision, the immune system, and reproduction. Guys, if you want to know more about cucumber, please do your research. So here I'm juicing my cucumbers, and as I said before, the size says it all. You're gonna see all this juice that I accumulate from these two oversized cucumber.
you know, cinnamon, for your device, you know, say a chat boss. I'm here represent for the most creative person.
If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected to my channel, please hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. And please, if you get some kind of benefit from this video, please share it out. Hit that like button so YouTube can send my video out. When you do that, it helps the algorithm to see that you are interested in my video. So please like, share, and comment. I love cucumber, whether it be in a juice or in my salad or in my sandwich. I just love cucumber. And guys, look at all this juice. Look at all this juice that I get from these two cucumber. I'm adding some honey for my sweetener. And I'm just stirring and combining. So for this cucumber juice, I add 1 lemon and 2 pieces of ginger and some honey to taste. Wow, look at this. It's now ready to drink. I'm pouring it in my glass, and here goes my delicious, refreshing cucumber juice with a lot of health benefits. And as I said before, if you're not sure about the health benefit of cucumber, please do your research. I do my research, and this I shared with you. But yes, go ahead and do your own research, because I might work in the healthcare department, but I'm not a medical doctor. Okay, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Guidance. Yeah, man.